Hi everyone, welcome to Wing Tarot. The topic of today's pick a card reading is what is the next chapter in your life. As we all know that Lionsgate portal was opened till 12th of August 2021, and now certainly you have manifested some things or without putting much efforts. You might have received some dreams which or some things which you always wanted to manifest. So today we are coming up with what will be the next chapter in your life and how your life will be. So there is no specific time period for this reading. It is like whenever you will click on this video and you will start watching this video, then you will get the insight about your next chapter of your life. So everyone is having different karmic cycle, or they are having different time periods. So it is not necessary that we can have a next chapter of our life within the same time period. So having said that, I have selected today the full card from each deck. So we will be having four piles. So this is pile number one. This full card, if you are drawn to this full card, the light says tarot card deck. This is pile number two. This is everyday witch tarot card deck. Pile number three from standard deck. This is pile number four from the wild unknown tarot card deck. So take your time. You can stop the video if you need more time. And I would like to add a short disclaimer here. You are not bound by this reading, so take whatever resonates and leave what does not. So you can select more than one group as well. It's not necessary that you should only select one pile or one group. So take your time and ask your intuition which group you are most drawn to. So accordingly, you can select the piles, and you might find messages in all the piles as well. That is also fine if you select all the piles, or if you want to check the messages from all the piles. So having said that, let's start with pile number one. Hi pile 1, those who have selected this full card, let's get into your reading. What is the next chapter in your life? So it's not necessary that every pile or every group will be having same set of questions and same uh, things which will be answered. So let's see how the readings come through for each pile. So for pile number one, dear God, Goddess, ancestors, spirit guides of the earth, and spirit guides of pile number one people, let's understand what is the next chapter of your life. What is it bringing? What are you experiencing in your next chapter of life? Let's gravity do the work. So we will be pulling two cards. Bottom of the deck is Knight of Swords. Okay, so lot of night energy I can see. I can sense that because of a person who is influencing your life, who is acting like an influencer in your life, because of that person, you are ready to take action, and you are not at all afraid of what will happen in the future. So, yes, new beginnings, new opportunities are there, and also romantic relationship I can sense. You may find out a partner or a lover, maybe from your ex, who will come back to you, and it's really up to you whether you want his presence, his or her presence in your next chapter of your life. But I can sense that yes, this person will not harm you anymore. This person is there to help you, or make you understand how special you are. Or if you have lost confidence in yourself, this person will make you realize that how special you are. Also, in next chapter of your life, you will be getting a peaceful vibe. You will be out of the zone of conflicts and the people who are always like complaining about something or someone. The travel is very much possible in next chapter of your life. Maybe you are looking forward to some business travel, or you're planning for a vacation, and you are okay with traveling alone. You really don't want to wait for someone to join you, because you're like, I'm enjoying my own company. I really don't need anyone's help. You will be getting a peaceful life soon. The hurdles or the people who are always complaining about something, or they are not actually helping you to grow, soon you will start ignoring them, and you will start enjoying your own company, because you will realize that how peaceful it is. You will be more focused on your inner growth. You will not pay much attention how you look, uh, or you always need to wear fancy clothes or some branded clothes. You are or always have to wear makeup, something like that. You will not be paying much attention to these factors, but you will be like, this is the moment I want to enjoy. So I don't care how people think that how I look like, or I'm not ready, or I'm not in proper attire, but you just want to go out there and grab that moment. Just interpret what it is for you. It can be an opportunity, like financial kind of opportunity, financial related opportunity, or it can be just a travel notification, something like last minute price drop, and you want to grab that offer, because you then spend less and enjoy the same trip which others have booked. I mean, same facilities in that trip. You will be more focused on your own body and growth. This vibe is dominant here. Even there are people who will be acting like an influencer, but you are engrossed in yourself. You will not pay more attention to what others want to say, or you will first check like cross verify. If person is saying something to you, you will cross verify in using other different ways. So for example, if the person has got a message for you, you will cross verify with another person if it is true, you will, or using other methodology. So it's completely depends on you what you want to do. You are waiting for something, but now interpret as per your situation. You are waiting for something, and finally you are able to see that okay, it's in your range, or this thing is happening for you or getting manifested for you, because finally you have removed the hurdles or the negative people from your life. So since you have seen that yes, this is very much possible for you, you are literally going to grab this opportunity, or grab that thing. You have been waiting for this thing since long time, and finally it is appearing in your life. This is what I'm sensing. It can be anything. It can be job opportunity, or it can be as simple as a bike which you always wanted to buy, and finally you have seen that okay, now there is a price drop, and you want to buy that bike, something like this. Or a trip, or a location where you always wanted to go. So it can be anything. There are many scenarios, and I'm really not putting all the scenarios here, because interpret this situation as per your goal. I'm also getting the vibe like for women, if you are a woman and you have selected this pile, then there is a message for you that you need to be more confident. You need to understand that yes, you deserve all the better things in your life, and instead of listening to other people, first believe in yourself and take that leap of faith. And for boys, it is like yes, you do have to take responsibilities of family and all, but also think about yourself. At least once in a month you should go to some place where you can rejuvenate, or recharge yourself, your body. Exercise will be good thing to do. So this message is common for all of you. It's not specific to one gender. Doing a yoga, or going to gym will give you different kind of energy. So you will feel more energetic, and also you will see confidence in yourself. The things are happening very quickly in your life. You are getting results at rapid pace, so that's why you are emotionally fulfilled as well. Since things are finally aligning in outer world, so you are getting inner pace, inner peace. So this kind of vibe I'm getting, but in reality it's like since you are at peace, that's why things are aligning in outer world. So I can sense that next chapter of your life will bring more peace, and more intuitive work which you need to do, so that it will guide you further what you are supposed to do. uh, let's check what is the starseed oracle wants to say. So I'm shuffling from the starseed oracle. We will just pull out one card. For pile number 1 people, what is the divine message? Let's gravity do the work. So the message is lost lands, soul memories and gifts. You have done this before. I can sense that during this time period, you have lost faith in yourself. It was like you people have told you that how you cannot achieve something because they have not achieved something in their lifetime, but it's very much possible for you because you have already done this in your past lives. So I can sense that the soul memories and gifts are with you. You just need to connect to yourself, and this is the time when you will connect to yourself. And once you are aligned uh, with the cosmic energy or with your universal energy, then everything will be placed as per your wish. This is what I'm sensing. Let's check any extra information about pile number one people, what they should do in the next chapter of their life, about their mindset, or what they should focus on. Any extra information which you would like to give, tarot cards. I'll be pulling three cards from this. I just felt like to take that one. Okay. Friendliness. See, the fool has appeared again. So yes, I can sense that the new beginnings are possible. You have to take that leap of faith. You did not to worry about something, and believe in yourself. I'm just arranging the cards. Also, this separation things, you have to get rid of this. See how these cards are resonating with themselves, with our messages. People have told you many things, like I can connect to these two cards. People have told you many things, like how it is not possible to achieve, and there are feelings in your subconscious mind that you have suppressed those feelings, and finally you are making peace with them. Finally you are at peace, as in you are finally, you are not listening to them, and you are doing what you want to do instead of listening to others or suppressing your feelings. And the friendliness card. So there are people to support you. There are people who will make you believe in yourself again. You don't need to dim your light in order to fit into the people who don't appreciate you. If people are not seeing worth in you, it is not your problem. So it's better to have that cocky vibe and just get out of the place where you are not appreciated anymore, and become a friend with something, or surround yourself with such people who will give you this positive advice, and the advice which will be helping you in long term. So this is the reading for you guys. Let's see which are the top 3 zodiac signs for you guys. So we will be checking top 3 zodiac signs. This can be sun, moon, or rising. These people can be important in your life, or they will be helping you to get out of this phase, or they have helped you earlier. So let's see like what come up. So Virgo, Sagittarius, and Scorpio. So I hope this reading will resonate with your current situation. If it is resonating, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hi pile 2, those who have selected this card, this Fool card. Let's get into your reading. What are the things which are coming in the next chapter of your life? So I'll be shuffling live. So this is Everyday Witch Tarot card deck. So for pile number 2, dear God, Goddess, Ancestors, my spirit guide, also spirit guides of people who have been watching this. Pile number 2. Okay, give me a second here. Let us understand what are the things coming in next chapter of pile number 2 people, how it would be for them. Pile number 2 people, what are the things which they need to know about their next chapter of life. So we will be pulling out 2 cards and we will see bottom of the deck. Now let's gravity do the work. Okay. Bottom of the deck, the Empress. Lovely. Financially, there is an opportunity which is coming through. In next chapter of your life, if you want to change your job or start your own business, then this is the right time for you guys. So yes, there is an opportunity which will give you some benefits, which will give you more money. So something which is coming in your way, which will give you more money or more abundance. And also you should stay away from ladies or girls. If you are attending some kitty party, something like this, then those who only do backbitching about others, or say negative things about other people, or how judge other people, so you should stay away from them. This is the vibe we are getting. See, finally you are really not meant for them. I can sense that the Empress, who is wearing red, and this girl, these are same people. So you should feel grateful about how you were as a person in your older days and how far you have come. So because you left that situation, something which was unpleasant, and finally you have grown from that situation, and finally you have become like an Empress. So the next chapter of your life is giving more importance for being a lady, or tapping into your feminine energy. Even if you are a male, and you don't want, you are thinking like how to tap into feminine energy. So it's all about being more caring towards others, and also protecting your loved ones, and actually growing your empire. I can sense that earlier you were like more carefree. You were not concerned about what other people will think. You used to put your opinions out there, which is a good thing. But uh, this was not coming into some closure. See this Five of Wands or the Fool card, like whatever it is you used to tell to other people, like you were outspoken, you were carefree, and you used to spend time with people who were actually not helping you to grow. But eventually you have understood that you should take responsibility, and you have outgrown from that situation, and that's why you have become or achieved something like an empress. So the next chapter of your life will either make you realize that you should be like this, like the empress. You should tap into your feminine energy and be like her. Or else, if you are already having all the abundance, the money, the growth, the peace, then you should feel grateful about the situation. Like from this attitude to this attitude, you have changed a lot. Yes, you have changed a lot. But there is an opportunity which will give you more money. So financially, I don't see any issues in the next chapter of your life. So you will be financially abundant. If currently you are not having money, or you have taken more liabilities, you are paying loans, then also something will be there to help you out in this financial uh, crisis. I don't want to say crisis. You are having enough money, but you will get something more. Pay more attention to your loved ones, what they want, or what they also want to achieve, considering your own dreams as well. This and one more message is specific to some of you, that if you are really planning for family, then also it is a good time for you. Or you might heard news from your loved one that someone is pregnant in your family. Giving birth to a new child is very much possible in this pile. um, let's see how your relationship goes. um, I'm selecting another deck. I'm drawn to the Wild Unknown card deck. For pile number 2 people, okay. For pile number 2 people, let us know what this Empress will do, how the relationships will be for this Empress. Okay. I'm more focused on relationship here, because financially or for career related, I don't see any problem. Too many cards. Okay. So I'm just arranging these cards. Let's pull out 4 cards. Okay. And one more flipped. See. 9 of Pentacles. Everything is getting aligned, and you are abundant. you're having more money, and you are happy with your financial situation. This is what see, death card is also here. Okay, again the emperor card is there. The relationship will with your partner, if there are some conflicts and if you are not happy with your partner, better you talk to him or her, like whatever the issues you guys are facing, and instead of just keeping the information with yourself or what problems you are facing in your daily life, better you talk to him or her and explain your situation to him or to your partner. I can sense that the empress and emperor, you can make a beautiful life. So you just need to remove the hurdles which you are currently facing. So in next chapter of your life, I can see the transformation as well. Transformation is a like a big change is coming into your life. So in relationship, it may happen that finally you will take a decision. It can be anything. Finally you will be outgrown of this negative things. You are becoming a responsible person. This vibe I'm getting. You need to work on your relationships, and you will learn, not in one day, but yes, eventually you will learn how to be um, a good wife. So I'm not talking just about stereotypes, like you should wear do proper dressing, you should wear proper dress, or you should cook food for your family, or you just need to take care of people around you. No, I'm not talking about the stereotypes. I am saying that being a good wife or a good responsible wife will be taking into consideration how to handle things, how to handle things more gracefully. Even you are even some people are blaming you or judging you continuously. You will still handle them gracefully, and you will rise above rise above them. It's like your status will be higher than them, so you will make that difference. Tap into your feminine energy. This is the message here. Even if you are a boy, then understand with this perspective how you can solve the situation. Speak out if it's necessary, because communicating with the people, it's also a good thing, but make sure that it will not go into some different direction where you will not get the results out of it. Being responsible will help you to maintain your relationship or status in the long run. But big transformation is coming, and financial opportunity is also coming. So yes, everything will fall out at proper places. Let's say divine message for you guys. So I'll be pulling one card for pile number 2 people. What is the divine message for pile number 2 people? Let's gravity do the work. Star Brothers. Horus energy, protection, loyalty, safety, and trust. See, every relationship is built on trust, loyalty, and safety. So, if you have problem with your partner, you need to speak out whatever things are bothering you, and you both can face that situation. Even you will get help from genuine people as well. Let's check how your mindset will be, or what is the other additional information which you need to pay attention to. For pile number 2 people in the next chapter, okay, what is the other information, additional information, what they should be focused on, or whatever energy you would like to say. Tarot cards. Pile number 2 people. I'll be pulling, okay, one more card. So I'll be pulling total 3 cards from this deck. I think, okay. Past lives, letting go. Okay, there is a card of letting go as well, and participation. See, the participation card goes well with Five of Wands. Like if you have any problem or talking with your partner, so get involved into whatever things which you are facing. It can be anything. It can be like even something good you want to share with your partner. Yes, participate in the conversation or participate in the divine energy and understand what message is there for you. And let go of the people who are continuously judging you or not giving you peace, inner peace. You have expressed yourself once, like you have participated in the conversation once, and if they are not listening to you, I mean, they are not taking into consideration whatever you want to say, then just let go of that situation. This is the only way you are having. And the past lives, this card is talking about whatever you have learned so far, or these people from older generation, they have learned something in certain way, and that's how their mindset is. It can be like old way of thinking, but you have experienced some things in different way, and you are having different perspective, different mindset, and that's why this conflict is coming into picture. So don't let these people dominate your energy. Just don't let these people be dominant over you. This is the message. So this reading is more about relationships, about family, friends, about a life partner, even girlfriend, boyfriend. So I hope finally you will find harmony in the next chapter of your life, and you will take the decisions accordingly, because judgment is showing up here, the emperor empress is showing up here, death card is showing up here. So this is all major arcana cards which are showing up here. So many things are possible, and the harmony is possible, the change, the judgment, I mean, getting out of this phase, this thing is possible here. So let go what is not resonating with your energy, and allow new energy to come. this is the message for you guys, pile number 2. I hope this reading will resonate with your current situation. If yes, then give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. For pile number 2 people, sorry I had forgotten, we will check the top 3 zodiac signs which are most important for you guys. That will be sun, moon, rising, and these people might be helpful for you. So the top 3 zodiac signs for this: Aries, Taurus, and Capricorn. Hi pile 3, those who have selected this full card, let's get into your reading. Whatever messages are coming through for pile number 3 people, so we'll see what will happen for next chapter of your life. Pile number 3 people, dear God, Goddess, Ancestor, Spirit Guides of pile number 3 people, and my Spirit Guide as well. Let us understand what is coming to next chapter of life for pile number 3 people. So we will be pulling 2 cards, and we will be taking into consideration the bottom of the deck. Let's gravity do the work. One more card. Okay. Are you feeling anxiety, or you are stressed because of some issue in your life? Because I can sense that anxiety here. Okay. And the bottom of the deck, see, it's again 6 of cups. Okay. I'm not taking any reversal. I did not feel like it's reversed. I'm really getting very positive vibe for pile number 3 people. The next chapter of your life, I can sense the stability which you will get. If you are really looking forward to like in your job or in your relationship, if you are not stable, earlier like there were many relationships you have been through, or you have changed many jobs, then you will get something which will be really beneficial for you, and you will also feel joyful while working in that company, or such certain relation in which you will also feel more joyful compared to past relationships, because you will come across some genuine people who will be actually helpful and too good for you. But remember, you should not take advantage of them, and actually pay more attention to what they want as well. So financially you will be growing, and also in your relationship also you will be growing. So this I'm sensing here. See, you are having you will be getting many things in your life. It may so happen that you have left your previous your previous home or your company or your relationship with minimal things, like you did not expect much. You might have faced some financial loss as well, or there was a risk when you left that phase of your life. But the next phase of your life is bringing all the things which you deserve, or whatever has been lost earlier, that you will get by multiplying many folds. So it's like you will become abundant. So many things are coming into your life which will give you financial peace, and also a help from someone. If you want to buy a pet, like a dog or a cat, then yes, it will bring you more peace in your life. That is also I'm sensing. For pile number 3 or group number 3, I'm sensing that whatever you have lost earlier, it is coming back to you, and universe will give you in rewarding way. You will be like star of that particular group, or star of the situation. It's a kind of star of the project. That vibe I'm getting. If you want a peace, if you want a peaceful mindset, yes, you will get it. Because earlier, if you have lost your peace, then you will be soon getting that. If you want more money, you will be getting more opportunities, which will be financial related opportunities. If you need help, there are people who will be showing up in your life, who will help you in any kind of situation which you are currently in. If you need self confidence which you were lacking earlier, then also you will get that. So whatever you have lost or you were lacking, that things will get fulfilled in the next chapter of your life. So that vibe I'm getting. So this is kind of short reading I'm getting, and there are many scenarios, so I'm not getting into everything. um, but yes, whatever you are manifesting, it's coming into your life. Ace of Wands is also giving me the vibe of giving birth to a new child. So, or and also there is a kid here. So if you are planning for family, then also this is the good time for you. You will come across people who will be having a matured mentality. So earlier, or sometimes we need to handle people which are not having good vibes, and they are stubborn, don't listen to others. They want to just get the things done in their way. But finally, you will come across such people who will be helping you, understanding your opinions as well, and supporting you. You will get many things to be proud of. It's not just one thing. Many things are coming into your life. So I'm getting mixed type of vibes. So I hope that many people will be selecting pile number 3, and that's why I'm getting this vibe. Many scenarios I'm getting. Divine energy wants to say, uh, for pile number 3 people, what is what is the message from divine energy? Cracked open, rock bottom, surrender to the alchemy of life. So the message is your cycle is really over, and I'm sensing that compared to pile number 1 and 2, you will be you are the people who have completed your one karmic cycle uh, for this lifetime. I mean, for this lifetime recently. So the life cycle which you have completed, and now the next chapter for you guys will be starting really soon. So I think that your time period has come compared to other two piles. So you will be getting this result so soon in your life, because you're already cracked open, so universe is able to guide you or make things work for you. So this is the message from divine guidance. Let's see any additional information for you guys. Okay, so we will be looking into what is the additional information which you guys need to know, the mindset or the things for pile number 3 people which they should focus on. Let's see whatever additional information you would like to give tarot cards for pile number 3 people. We will be pulling out 3 cards. Okay, 2 wanted to come directly. Okay, letting go, ripeness, and past lives. Compared to pile 2, because pile 2 have also got these 2 cards, same 2 cards, but compared to them, I think that you are more matured than pile number 2. So if you want to also check the message from pile number 2, you can also see that video. But all I want to say that whatever things which are not serving you anymore, you should let go of those things. You should not keep the grudges from the people who have hurted you earlier. You should now get rid of those thoughts as well. So let go of everything, like the thoughts, people, or the situation which is not serving you anymore. And the ripeness card tells us that whenever the fruit is completely ripe, uh, yeah, grown on the tree, it will fall off. So there is a perfect time for everything. So you need not to worry about how things will go. So you should make the space for good things coming into your way. Like in next chapter of your life, you will meet more genuine people or more matured energy, or you will get more financial opportunities. So for these things, you first of all you need to make space in your life, so you should get rid of old things. So this is the message I'm getting for you, pile number 3. And I'll be giving you top 3 zodiac signs which will be important for you for pile number 3. They can be anyone, like sun, moon, or rising sign. These people can be from your past life, like they were hurting you or something like that, or they will be meeting you in future. So they can be anyone. So top 3 zodiac signs for pile number 3 people. So Libra, Scorpio, and Sagittarius. These are the top 3 zodiac signs for you, pile number 3 people. I hope you have enjoyed this reading. I know it's a short message for you guys, but you will soon getting the results, or the things are already started in your life. So you just need to make sure that you are aligned with universe and the energy which is important in this phase. I hope this reading will resonate with you. If yes, then give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hi pile 4, those who have selected this the Fool card. Let's get into your reading. What is the next chapter of your life is going to bring for pile number 4 people? For pile number 4 people, dear God, Goddess, ancestors, spirit guides of pile number 4, my spirit guide and spirit guides of the earth, let us know what is the next chapter of life is going to bring for pile number 4 people. Let's see what is the energy for you guys. Number 1, then number 2. We will be taking bottom of the deck as well. Wow. Bottom of the deck, the Sun card. Okay, so let's get into your reading. I'm not taking reverses. I did not feel like these cards were reversed. Okay, so the Fool card is all about new beginnings and all, and everything is coming into alignment. For pile number 4 people, I'm getting that you will get more clarity in your life. If you are currently in some dilemma that whether you should do it or not do it, finally you will get the clarity in which way you should go. Lot of things are being aligned. Universe is working in the background, and that's why you were not aware what is happening. But it's like you were facing many hurdles in your life. The Three of Pentacles is giving the vibe that it was like you were climbing this mountain. It wasn't ending, but you did not stop your journey. And the next chapter of your life will be the beautiful mountain view from the top. So the next chapter of your life will be the beautiful view from this top. So your efforts are not gone, your efforts will be considered. If any person has not acknowledged whatever you have done for them, universe is acknowledging it in the background, and it is actually going to reward you for this, for your deeds. So your efforts will be acknowledged, and you will get the rewards very soon. The Sun card is the most positive card, and you have got this card. So whatever things which were not appearing earlier into your life, they will start appearing. The Sun will be giving, I'm getting the vibe that earlier you were also working in the background, like people were not knowing much about you, but soon people will also start noticing you, your work, and also your personality, like how you are as a person. People will start paying more attention to you. So if you are an influencer on social media, and your like your contents were not getting noticed earlier, but soon you will see the people will take note of your contents, or something will go viral. It's like in whichever field you are, you will become kind of celebrity. So that kind of vibe I'm getting. And also you are having the experience like how to climb the mountain, as in how to solve your problems. So this celebrity type of vibe I'm getting. Let's see what is the divine message for pile number 4 people. Don't afraid to take this this popularity, I will say, or the stardom which is coming into your way for pile number 4 people. I feel that you guys are I feel that you guys are artists. You are having you need people to acknowledge your art. It can be anything. Maybe you are also a tarot card reader, and people need to watch your videos. Or if you are like a chef or a painter or a sketcher, and you are having a page on Instagram, or you are having your own channel, then people will start for following you. You will be famous. So this is what I'm getting. So to be very precise, let's see for pile number 4. For pile number 4, what is the divine message? What is the message from universe? We will be pulling one card from this deck. See. Messenger, serious energy, bringing harmony and balance. Are you able to see? This figure looks like Jesus Christ. Very positive energy. So the Sun card and the Messenger card is here to acknowledge your efforts, here to assure that, here to give you assurance that everything is working out for you, everything is coming into harmony. Universe is actually working in the background. You were not able to see that earlier, but in the next chapter of your life you will understand why the things happened to you earlier, the way it happened to you. If something bad has happened to you earlier, there was a message for you, like some kind of learning or some karma which you have to get through. So now that bad phase is over. It's absolutely over, because two cards are telling us the same message, that everything is bringing harmony and balance. Even the two of wands, see, it's coming into an alignment. Let's see any extra information, additional information, how your mindset should be, or what pile number 4 should be more focused on in the next chapter of their life. I can sense that everything is going well. Okay, one more card. I'll just arrange these cards. Existence, projection. Okay, one more card. Participation. Okay. Even one of the previous group has got this card, but in this you are reading for pile number 4 people, I'm sensing that You exist in this world because you are having the unique energy. You need to complete some work which universe has given to you. So if people are projecting their thoughts on you, you should stay away from it, and you should, it's okay to participate in the conversation which is not so what I can say, not so happy, or the conversation which is uncomfortable for everyone. If people, if people are perceiving you with their perception, it does not mean that you are like the same person which they are thinking. You are having your unique abilities, your energy, and universe has given you some work which you need to complete. You should be participating with people who are having the same energy, who will be vibrating on the same energy, same frequency as you. So let's see which are the top three zodiac sign for you guys. That will be most important. It can be someone's sun, moon, or rising. So these people you can interpret as per your situation. These people, how they will be helpful in your life. Maybe they are from your past life or currently in present situation they are with you. Aries, Libra, Sagittarius. So these are the top three zodiac sign for you guys. So pile number four people, this is the short reading for you, but it's like everything is coming into harmony. So whatever you you were manifesting, these things are coming. So this is the message for you, pile number four. If you are resonating with the reading, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next reading. Bye.